Stinky got one too.
Yeah, he should still be on there. Y'all gonna float, you're gonna have to walk that way, Ben. Keep your line tight. Yours is under hers. Under. There you go. Now go under her pole.
Yep.
Oh. Don't let the back go. It's on the wrong side.
You're going to move that hand up here. There you go. Don't pump him too much, Ben. He'll still break. Come back underneath her line right here, Ben.
All I'm doing is reeling. He's doing the cap.
Keep going.
Move it over around so it doesn't get caught. Get up.
Get up.
And off the thing. Off of it. There you go.
31 inches.
Oh, you gonna pose with her?
Here comes another big one.
I'm coming. Just keep it to the top of the water. Don't try and lift it up.
Okay, don't worry.
Show it to the camera here too, Ben.
Catch it both sides.
Harry, you caught a fish. Somebody take a picture of my fish.
29. Too big.
Harry, can I take a picture? Hold on to
Yep.
it.
You gotta hold on to it.
What is he
Both
doing with
hands.
my fish?
Y'all both get to hold it.
Look at me.
I gotta tie the hook
Jennifer,
back
scoot over
on.
to the right. Your left, sorry. Look at me here. Got him.
Alright,
Turn. Thanks.
hand it back. You
Get
gotta get
sister.
back in the water.
Here. 1, 3, 5. Gotcha.